Royal Black, Composite, Landvigator, Mud Terrain, with over 30 years of large-scale manufacturing, exporting, and R&D. Haohua Tires are widely recognized in the market, has won many awards such as Top 500 Chinese Private Enterprises, which is similar to the Fortune 500, and Best New High-Tech Enterprise. Haohua covers over 1 million meters square of land and ships to over 170 countries around the world. Specifically designed for off-road use, they feature aggressive tread patterns with large, deep lugs to provide maximum traction in muddy, rocky, and uneven terrain. The deep, widely spaced tread blocks are designed to eject mud, gravel, and debris as the tire rotates, preventing buildup and maintaining traction in muddy conditions. Deep, wide grooves are designed to bite into loose surfaces like mud and sand, providing exceptional grip and control. Wide, flotation-style treads can help distribute the vehicle's weight over a larger surface area, reducing the risk of sinking in soft terrain like sand, mud, or snow.